Top 10 Auto Repair in Fresno. 1. The Small Car Shop, 4.9 169 reviews, North Jackson Avenue. 2. Sunnyside Auto Repair Incorporated, 4.8 408 reviews, East Clinton Avenue. 3. Complete Car Care, 4.8 342 reviews, West Barstow Avenue. 4. Meineke Car Care Center, 4.7 535 reviews, North Blackstone Avenue. 5. All Access Automotive, 4.7 407 reviews, East Gettysburg Avenue. 6. Ness Auto Repair Inc., 4.7 360 reviews, East Hammond Avenue. 7. Automotive Pros Inc., 4.7 235 reviews, West Barstow Avenue. 8. Allstar Repair, 4.7 101 reviews, East Clinton Avenue. 9. Fresno Auto Service, 4.7 93 reviews, N Broadway Street. 10. Tower Automotive Repair, 4.7 57 reviews, North Van Ness Avenue.